Good morning, guys. Today we're going to talk about 7 plants that thrive in sandy soil conditions. Artemisias love dry condition, almost like a lavender. They have also this blue-green foliage or like a gray-green foliage that is beautiful to light up any corner of the garden. Um, you could keep them as a specimen, or you could just do a border with them. I don't know. I think they're really, really beautiful. I do not have any in my garden, but I might try them. But I might have to do it in containers because of my clay. Let's see how that goes. The next one is a blanket flower or galaria. They long for a long time in the summer with this almost daisy like flower that are yellow, sometimes with the like red center. Sometimes it's like a red um, or maroon border. They are beautiful, but they like sunny condition and a sandy soil will be perfect location. You will get flowers for several weeks and you're gonna enjoy the beautiful colors of Galaria. The next one is Baptisia, and that one is one of my favorite shrubs. It's the first shrub I put in my garden. When I saw it at the store, I fell in love with it. It has this eucalyptus almost like leaves. I, I love them. And then the spiky flowers, like almost looping like flowers, that when they fade after a few weeks, they become this little like a rattle balls that it's just amazing. I cannot say enough about Baptisia. Even though they're growing really well on my clay soil, they actually do really well on sandy soil. And for those reasons, I would just I would just recommend you to buy it. They are beautiful. The following one is lavender cotton. I haven't had the chance to grow that flower, but I look it up and it's beautiful. It has the leaves are also almost like Artemisia in the gray green department, very showy and beautiful. But then it has the spikes of yellow little cotton balls at the top. They're beautiful. I'm gonna look for those and I'm gonna try it. It's just beautiful. And then they like the heat. They like a sandy condition. I guess they don't seek for nutrition, which is an easy to grow plant in my book. The following one is thyme. And I love thyme for cooking. I love the smell of thyme. I use it as ground cover. It doesn't require much from you, and it's a water wise plant. Beautiful. I think mixing herbs with flowers and fruits, I don't know, something majestic, I guess, about it for me. I don't know if you think the same, but let me know. Let me know how you feel about it. Beautiful. There's a beautiful plant to have. A ground. You could use it as ground cover, but there also you could just grow it as a trailing plant. I'm growing some from seeds, so I'll let you know how that goes. The following one is yarrow. That's another one that I'm growing for the first time from seeds and for the first time putting in my garden. And they thrive in dry conditions. So a sandy soil will be perfect for a yarrow. They love the heat that will radiate from that sandy soil. And it's a plant that is very resilient and it comes in a variety of colors. I think it's a beautiful plant. I don't know why I don't have it in my garden, but that's going to change this year because, like I said, I'm growing some from seeds. I will keep you updated on that one. The following one is yucca. I do not have it in my garden. I think they are beautiful in a dry garden container, in a dry garden setting. I think they are a statement. They are beautiful, pokey, and if you have kids, I would not put her on the floor. I would probably just put them in like an urn, a high urn or something tall that the kid cannot get um, poke with it. But they come in like a different color, and the spikes are really beautiful, and also has this majestic flower that comes with it. Somebody that has sandy soil or dry conditions and doesn't and don't have irrigation, that plant will do amazing for you. So for those reasons, you should consider Iyaka, and you got it. Okay, so I hope I give you some idea if you have sandy soil. I don't know if you have tried some of this. You've been successful with any of this. Can you please let me know? I'm also gonna keep you updated on the ones that I'm planting, on the ones that I'm growing from seeds. I hope you have a nice day, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.